Tired of surfaces that look beat up, worn out, or just plain dirty? Are you sick of weak cleaners that waste your time and still don't get the job done? Then check this out. Here's a dull, dirty penny. Nothing special, right? Now we hit it with Champ. Notice how it clings right to the surface. No mess. A quick rub, and boom, that shine is back. Champ is a heavy-duty creme cleaner built for porcelain, chrome, ceramic tile, grout, stainless steel, brass, and more. No acids, no nonsense. Just a thick, powerful formula that cuts through grime, gunk, and even rust. Forget those dusty powder cleaners that choke you out with chlorine fumes. Champ goes on smooth, is apple-scented, and leaves behind a protective shine that helps block future buildup. If you want your surfaces looking like new, State's Champ is the cleaner built for the job. Ready to step up your game? Head to stateindustrial.com and click Contact Us to talk to your local State rep today.